अष्टमः पाठः सूक्तिस्तबकः. सुप्रभातं छात्राः. Let us start 8th lessons today. सूक्तिस्तबकः. सूक्तिः. Su-uktihi, suktihi. That means good sayings are called as suktihi. Already we learned subhashitani and suktihi are synonyms. So in this lesson there are few shlokas which gives moral values which are useful to our day-to-day life are given. Let us learn this lesson and understand the values, and let us try to follow them in our life. उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः. उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः. In this shloka, importance of hard work is explained. Udyamaha means hard work. Children, we know that without hard work we cannot achieve anything. For each and everything, to complete any task or any work, we need to do hard work. Let it be studies or achieving in business or anything, we need to be very hardworking. So they say that udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na manorataihi. Karyani means works will be fulfilled only by hard work. Na manorataihi, not by wishings. See, we wish many things in our life. We want to achieve a lot. We want to get many things. But just by wishing for all those things, we cannot achieve anything. To achieve our wishes, what we need to do? Hard work. Udyamaha. Hard work is very, very essential to complete our goals or wishes. That is what said in this shloka. Udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na manorataihi. For that they are giving one example. Nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrigaha. As example they are saying that simha, lion, you know that is very strong animal that can catch any animal and eat it easily. But nahi suptasya simhasya, what will happen if lion sleeps in its den without doing any hard work? Mrigaha na pravishanti. Animals won't enter into the mouth of sleeping lion. That is very important. Therefore, even lion, even though it is very strong, that need to do hard work to get its prey. So, we need to do hard work even though we are very stronger to achieve our goal. Work gets accomplished by effort, industry, not merely by wishing. The animals don't enter a sleeping lion's mouth. Let us move into word meanings. Udyamena, by hard work. He, only. Siddhyanti, gets succeeded. Karyani, works. Na, not. Manorataihi, by wishes. Suptasya, of sleeping. Simhasya, of lion. Pravishanti, enters. Mukhe, into the mouth. Mrigaha, animals. So children, learn this part thoroughly today with shloka and word meanings. Let us continue with the next shloka tomorrow. Thank you, children.